Gotcha. What take place out here? Miss Feng Chong Young. As Amari. Amari, what is style? What you call up my name around yourself? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Hey. Yo. Amari. You know what? Let me get the fire spitter. Everybody said they want to know before I go live if me drink one sit in a rum. You know what I say? Is a jagan me drink, my friend? Yes, my friend. Ask you. Yeah. You have to get the mug and sitting. Me I say Vanny's function I call up Prettii that name. Every girl want to walk off of me, but me no gully bop. Hold on, Miss Function Young. Hold on, Miss Function. Vanny's function. Denny's function. I'm going to come to your blood clot right now. Hey, you ram-out bumble. Hey, you pussy hole idiot blood clot idiot. How you stop with? I can see. The way Prettii done call my name, you can see that she's in love with your bumbo clot. Who a fuck back a players? Me could have never fuck back a blood clot players. If me no fuck control but now you make a fuck, you shape like one stick of bumbo clot butter. You look like one blood clot stick of butter. Girl, move your bumbo clot tough crackers. How we talk to? How we talk to tough crackers? How we stop with? Look here, a petite body girl, Mr. My friend. Nice girl, you brought my concentration, girl, you pressure me. You feel me? You don't. Hey, look a bumbo clot. Hey, girl, 3 pound of blood clot white and 2 sardines here. Move your bumbo clot in a girl. I want to you, my friend, man. I want to the salt mackerel. Hey, Alaska bumbo clot mackerel, man. Oh, you're ramp with money, my friend. I mean, you want to come blood clot, give them light skin curry there. You see, me just start put on blood clot weight. I see you want to sit me down and give me bumbo clot malaria. He get a malaria, you want to come give me a mosquito. He do, hey. Let me tell you, sitting in a function young. Don't make me bumbo clot if you come up your pussy clot, yeah, my friend. Don't call me your mouth mash like. I want to mash mouth bumbo clot, girl, man. I want to the bumbo clot, hey, girl. Your bumbo clot look like, hey, girl. Half stick of butter, hey. I heard pretty hurt, you know. Hey, girl, don't call up me name upon them the kind of pussy there. See, your pussy is what Prettii reject. I would have never pass and call. No, the rascal man. You think that turn me on? Me lick you with my rascal van. You think that bumbo clot turn on Prettii? Do you think that make me feel like would have jump your bumbo clot like a rammy? I would have cut off Thumper, you don't blood clot play on me out. And me control your youth. And you know when I get up for them, the bumbo clot sitting there. I don't give a fuck how long you is pussy. You ain't gonna get for word on the place with pretty girl. Good girl. Girl with petite and look bumbo clot good in her shorts and mama look good. You see me? Hey, pussy wall function. Watch how you style mode. And I'm gully this pussy wall. Me look like players. Eh? Me look like, hey girl, don't go obsessed with me, you know. Hey girl, have some respect for me dick. Respect it, no care how short it is. Pussy wall girl, respect that old bitch. And what do you come here to talk about to the whole blood clot girl and now me here one of the whole girl come talk about say you wanna run down and play and tear. Then the fuck whole blood clot retirement pussy. Remember that. A fresh scratches off of the blood clot boat me talk about girl. You come off of the banana boat from before me blood clot ban. And you want come blood clot jump me look like fence? cow take the bumbo clock weakest part of the fence to jump on. Pussy all the fence in the week. This a fence in the week misfunction, your bumbo clock mouth mash like pussy will look like yellow we are fasting. And you want to get 13 blood clots step in it. Pussy will you can try this me. How we are going to try get 13 blood clot that way? All your bumbo clot does not one gal. Gal, all your blood clot does not one gal. Move your bumbo clot from your so gal. Your blood clot breed out cesspool blood clot pussy. Hey gal, move a function thinking blood clot young. Don't fuck with me youth. How you? How send the gal? Breathe. See, I'm my best friend that come here to come see me and act like this. You understand me? Fung, song, bumbo clot, young whatever the bumbo clot you name. Me a top man. Top man no fuck girl like you, my friend. Top man no do them thing there. Top man change girl life. Buy girl new car and get girl new things and pretty girl won't want fuck and suck, my friend. From chung, if me ever catch myself and me I'm sitting like you, me poison myself. Good as nobody style me thing. Good as me say, if I wake up and fight for me tongue nowhere near your titty, them now know a blood clot for you. Me poison. Good as. Don't fuck yourself, good as. You hear me? Load the blood clot girl them product. You hear me? I tell you, load the girl them things. Load the girl them blood clot manish water. I am a blood clot Capricorn, I am a goat. Load the blood clot people, a manish water girl. Load the said that blood clot hey girl. Upon Friday alone, some restaurant cook manish water. Meaning I'm the shit, bitch. Why you think me don't want to take up a whole redundant bumbo clot, middle age, whole age, last age pussy like that? Eh? You blood clot last on the fuck list and you want to go poop. Hey. Calm down, Pretty. She not touch you. Come, Pretty. She not touch you, Pretty. She not touch you. But your words, them touch me good as. Don't ever try to put yourself across this offense here. No cocky no over here, Sophia. Cocky you a run down, run, go see Bob. Go run, go see him. Go run, go see pliers. You see me I do it? Go look for the bumbo clot 1938 blood clot pliers. And that the cocky they are run down, run, go see that. It done a Jamaica they saw me and you blood clot chicken liver white rice out a scandal blood clot bag in the back of a white bumbo clot Nissan. Alright? Oh now style me. From what you me get for understand say everybody wants to see what the style of Pretty name then call. You better like lucky me never like a ling for your bumbo clot that you ling say no cost animal. Ling say no cost blood clot animal so me couldn't let out my sister out there so for you. My sister say me always a got blood clot zoo, got trouble blood clot monkey and goat and gorilla. That's why they can blood clot attack me. All of the blood clot people when you see attack me, the shit bug them, the elephant them, the whole of them there, and me love got blood clot zoo go play with blood clot animal for them follow me and me and come fuck with me. And that's why me hey. All what go on me hot you know. Enter my chamber, be free, Holy Spirit. Speak to me gentle as I close the door. Bumbuck, I'll get me a blood clot singing gospel now and me ride the youth, me don't know what me I do. Me don't know what me I do. If me ride with Satan and me ride with God right now, cause me have liquor in the hand and me I sing blood clot gospel and I cheers to Father God. Because I'm confused to why you think me don't want to fuck you, Amari. Me still bumbo clot confused, dog. So me there I talk to God with liquor in my bumbo clot and my friend. Because right now I'm confused cause why you feel me name you that call for a pussy like that. Mama, your pussy sunny like sun, my friend. A $40 when me I left Jamaica for your pack of sun. What the fuck got into you? He good as? Just do it. So you always see me where they just do it them. You feel like you have to do it? Pussy wall as a Nike name, just do it. That's why I be a bumbuckler Nike one them wear. That's why you see just do it. Don't do it. Do not do it. Do not fucking do it. Leave it. Don't do it. Leave it. Do not fucking do it. Leave it. Oh, what got into you, guys? Leave the just do it to me. I will do it. If you don't see me in your inbox, that means I do not want to do it. If me not in your inbox, that means I don't want to do it. You know why? No way in you. If you don't see me in your inbox, if you don't see me for your bumbuckler message them, I do not want to do it. You deaf? Deaf? What the fuck you got? What get into you? Thinking I would have want to do it with you. This is Nike brand. As a blood clot Nike here, just do it. Me don't want to do nothing with you. I don't want to fucking nothing with you. Yeah, amount of girl I want to just do it with you. And then you come on the internet and call me name. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look how much girl up on the blood clot gram. When me want just do it. And you whole blood clot long time grammar zone. You pussy hole drunker. Poison. And you why? Fi bumbuckler you. Loud lover and young little boy alone. Whole girl. Loud woman young little boy. Go on. Loud woman young pitney. Loud woman young bumbuckler pitney. Where? Loud woman pitney. The people want pitney young. And little pitney. Leave the child. Whole redundant, whole age, nigga bumbuckler last age, fucker. Leave the woman pitney. The woman that send call you. You think that me can't cure you? Come walk mommy door. I say, Lavi. Say, Buckley. Good as. And your daughter-in-law this. Mommy poisoning 2 away. Left the woman pitney. Leave the woman child. You get out of control in the mother house. Mother house. You get out of control. Pliers. Calling pliers, ain't it? Make I see if I can get pliers over here, sir. Because pliers have explained this, you know. Pliers! Hello? Listen, Gulliver. Pliers! Stop talking because your mouth mash right now and a beer spit a fly through your phone. Call your blood clot mammal and tell your mammal for me, pretty blood clot than me general. So do not call me name upon a blood clot grey hair crutches. My friend, go and go run down that the pussy the bop. You feel what me I deal with? Hey, bye. Don't you fuck with me. I am not the one. I are not the fucking one. You get it? Don't do it to me. Don't do this to me. Do call somebody else's name. Feel me? Me say, out of all of the girls that want to do it, let's do it. Just do it. And one heap of them they want just do it. And could you? Big long time blood clot mama like you. Big long time donkey like you. One big whole bumbuckler right and left. You ride and bumbuckler left. Why? Why am you come blood clot drop your blood clot heavyweight one? 2-ton blood clot wheel. Why am you come drop one? You know some we are 139 pounds? 5'11". Me very tall. You understand what we are doing? 130 and what about hey? Girl. Probably a 140 now. But by me done with that video, me know me lose about 30 blood clot pound. Yeah, stress me out. Me bum right now my stress box bust. When me see that the video there with your big blood clot mash mouth that about me you want you. For do what? For what me body with your tissue? Hey girl, mine know you're up with man in my friend. And every young boy desperate. What me gonna do? Go fuck you? I'm gonna live in a shelter with you. And your wife gonna live in a shelter with you. Move yourself, good as. How dear? How the good as? Good as. Suck your mother, good as. How dear? Shelter no fit me. Shelter no look nowhere near good pan Prettii. Prettii no look nowhere near shelter. Shelter can't take the whole of the sauce here. You see this is sauce here? Pepper sauce, grey sauce. You feel like me a deal with? Me a talk about my grandmother sauce that she making her blood clot kitchen with the real country pepper them. That the sauce there. This is sauce here. It can't blood clot wall in a blood clot shelter. Too much sauce. Too much sauce. You feel me? Too much sauce. Oh, auntie. Oh, long time chimney. Bumbo clad whole peel. How are you? Half dozen blood clad hockey a quarter pound of saltfish. Are you me a bumbo clad talk? Eh? Me for blood clad wine up for your flick tongue for you. He mash mouth girl. What me a do with my grandma? Might as well me go fuck Darrell. Sorry mama. Me no mama. Sorry. Mama, not you. You me just say you are my grandmother. You know what I'm little here? Me a young old woman like mama. That me a try say. That me a try say a old woman like me blood clot granny. And you know if a blood clot look over here so. Old mash mouth blood clot false teeth pussy hole girl. Got that. Phone not dead. Suck your mother mash mouth. How are you?